Today I have taken one question related to Vedic mathematics on multiplication. Question I have taken here. Question implied that find out the value of 9657 multiplied to 2847 by palindrome approach. The first number consists of 4 digits 9657. Second number consists of 4 digits 2847. Two numbers will be multiplied together by the palindrome approach of Vedic mathematics on multiplication. Vedic mathematics on multiplication. Let us see how this question is going to be solved here. Here I shall write solution. Solution. First page. Here I shall write first page. First page. Nine, 6, 5, 7. Just below right here 2847. In the first page, in the first number unit place digit is 7. In the second number unit place digit is 7. So both 7 and 7 will be multiplied. I have made this symbol, means 7 will get multiplied to 7. Here we will get 7 7 ja 49, implied that 7 will multiply to 7, will get here 49. Now phase 1 completed. Now come out to here phase 2, second phase. Here this is first one. Second phase I am going to explain here. Second phase implied that 9657 multiply to 2847 multiplied. In second phase, this symbol I have made. This is horizontal line headed both sides. One horizontal line I have drawn here between both sevens, and this horizontal line, here this horizontal line has been put on both headed. So, both headed means this only one horizontal line with both side headed represent only one. But here 5 will multiply to 7 and this 7 will multiply to 7. This 4 will multiply to 7 and this 5 will multiply to 7. Here in this case, this will be palindrome approach number 2. Why 2? Because here two transverse lines are being intersected with each other. Intersection point is available here. So one horizontal line this one and one horizontal line this one intersecting at one point. So one not horizontal line, this is transverse line. The one transverse line this one, one transverse line this one intersecting at this one. One transverse line this one and one transverse line this one intersecting. So for one transverse line 1, this is 2. 1 and 2. That's why I have written 2. So what we will do in this case, here you will get a result 5 will multiply to 7. So 5 multiply to 7 plus 4 will multiply to 7. 4 multiply to 7. You will get here 5 7 ja 35 plus 4 7 ja 28. You will get here 8 plus 5, you will get here 13. Carry will be 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 will get here 6. So now we have got 6. Now second phase of palindrome approach has been completed. Now come out to third phase here. Third phase I shall write here. Third phase. Third phase implied that 9657 multiply to 2847 multiplied. In this case, what we will do? Third phase, one horizontal line, two horizontal line, one vertical line, two transverse line. This is one horizontal line headed both sides. This is two transverse lines headed four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, but transverse lines are 2. That's why I have written here 2. Transverse line are 2. That's why I have written here 2. Here vertical line is 1. Headed both sides I have written here 1. So here 1, 2, 3. So this will become 3. Part 3 of palindrome approach. So what we'll do for 3? For 3, what we'll do? This 6 will multiply to 7. This 8 will multiply to 7 here. You have got two transverse lines intersecting at each other at this point. One transverse line 1, second transverse line 2, 1, 2, and here this 1, 2, 3. That's why I have written 3. For this one, I shall write 6 will multiply to 7. 6 will multiply to 7 plus 8 will multiply to 7. 8 will multiply to 7 plus 5 will multiply to 4. 6 will multiply to 7 plus 8 will multiply to 7, this one, and 5 will multiply to 4. You will get here I shall write at this place, implied that 7 6 ja 42, 8 7 ja 56, 5 4 ja 20. You will get here 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11. So this thing you have got 100 18. Now, fourth phase I shall take here. Fourth phase implied that 9, 6, 5, 7 multiply to 2, 8, 4, 7. In this case, here you have got one vertical line headed both sides 1, or one vertical line 1. Here you have got two transverse lines, or two transverse lines I have mentioned here 2. Here 3, here two transverse line and one vertical line intersecting at one point. For two transverse line and one vertical line, 2 plus 1, I have mentioned 3, like this, 1, 1, 2, 3, I have written here 3. Here it will become 4. Let us see how 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have completed. The for 4, 9 will multiply to 7. 7 will multiply to 2. 9 will multiply to 7 and 2 will multiply to 7. Here again 5 will multiply to 8 and 6 will multiply to 4. Here you can see 9 will multiply to 7 plus 2 multiply to 7 plus 6 multiply to 4 plus 8 multiply to 5. So here you can see one transverse line, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I have written here 4. So for this I shall write here implied that 9 will multiply to 7, 9 multiply to 7 plus 2 will multiply to 7, 2 multiply to 7 plus 8 will multiply to 5 plus 6 will multiply to 4. So we will get here equal to 9 7 ja 63 plus 7 2 ja 14 plus 8 5 ja 40 plus 6 4 ja 24. You will get here 8 is this one, 4 plus 0 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 1. So here you will get 1. 11. Carry will be 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 1. 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So here we will get 14. You have got here 141. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next concept I shall write fifth phase. Fifth phase implies that for fifth phase here write 9, 6, 5, 7 multiply to 2, 8, 4, 7. Let us see here multiply. Now here you have got this one 4, you have got after 4 1, 2, 3, 4. As per the rule of palindrome approach, the forward moment 1, 2, 3, 4. At the same time, reverse moment will be 4, 3. So here you will get 3, 3, 2, 1 like this. So here you will get for 3, you will get unit place digits 7 and 7 in the both number will be relaxed. What will do here R3? Here 9 will multiply to 4, 2 will multiply to 5 and 6 will multiply to 8 like this. So here you have got 1, 2, 3. That's why I have written here 3. For this one I shall write here implied that 9 will multiply to 4. So 9 into 4 plus 2 will multiply to 5. 2 into 5 plus 8 will multiply to 6. So we will get here 9 4 ja 36 plus 10 plus 8 6 ja 48. So you will get here 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 6 14, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. So here you have got 9. 94 you have got. Fifth phase, after fifth phase, I shall write here sixth phase. Sixth phase. Let us see how sixth phase will be completed. For sixth phase, again I shall write implied that 9, 6, 5, 7. Here write 2, 8, 4, 7 into. Let us see. Here you can see for these 3 I have taken 1, 1, 2, 3 I have mentioned here. So here you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. So this will become 2 as per palindrome rule 2. For 2, what will do here? For 2, 9 will multiply to 8 and this 6 will multiply to 2. So here I shall write implied that 9 will multiply to 8 plus 6 will multiply to 2. They will get here 9 at the 72 plus 12. You will get here 84. Result you have got 84. 84 you have got. Now, sixth phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So seventh phase will be implied that 9, 6, 5, 7 multiply to 2, 8, 4, 7. Here you will get only 9 will multiply to 2. So here you will get only 1. So this means that 9 will multiply to 2, we will get here only 18. Now all have been completed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. All phases of palindrome approach have been completed. Now draw a line here. Now come out to summary here. Here I shall write summary. SU double M A R Y. Summary implied that. Let us see. Summary. From the first page, you have got 49. The 49 consists of 2 digits. Unit place digit is 9 and 10 plus digit is 4. So this 9 will be reflected at this place. Here you will get 4 and this 4 will be reflected at this 4. From the second page you have got 63. The unit place digit 3 will be reflected at this place and 6 will be reflected at this place, like this. Now come out to third page. From third page, unit digit 8 will be reflected at this place. 10th place digit will be reflected at this place. 100th place digit will be reflected at this place, like this. 118, like this you know, like this it will move from this place to this place. Just a transverse. In transverse manner it will move from like this 118, like this. And this from the fourth page you have got 141. The unit place digit 1 will be written at this place. 10th place digit will be written. 10th place digit will be written as this place, and 100th place digit will be written at this place, like this. You have got 118, 141. Like this transfer 118, 141. Now from the fifth page you have got 94. So from the 94, unit place digit 4 will be written at this place and 9 will be written at this place. Just in line will be there. So just here write 4, here write 4. Just tell you once again. Unit place digit 9 I have reflected this here. For 4 I have reflected this place. From 63 I have unit place digit at this place. 6 will be this place. From 118 you write here 8, 1, 1, like this. Like this, and 141 you will get here. 141 you will get here. How it will be written? Let us see. Eight I have reflected one this place, and this one will be carried at this place. Here space will be available. Here you got this one will be filled with some digit. 118, like this we have got. For 141 you have got 1, 1, 1. Now what will do here? This 1 will be reflected at this place. And this 4 will be reflected at this place, and this 1 will be reflected at this place, like this. 1, 4, 1. So this 1 I have reflected at this place, 4, 1. So 1 from this place, 1, 4 this place, 1 this place. So you have got 118, 141. Now again you have got 94. So for 94, 4 will be written at this place and 9 will be written at this place. And for 84, I shall write 4 will be written at this place and 8 will be written at this place. And 4, 9, 4, 3, 6, 118, 118, 141, 141 and 141 you have got, and to meet this one I have filled like this. Let us see. 9, like this you can tally. 49, transverse way, in the transverse manner, in the transverse way, 49, 63, 118, 141. Now 141 completed. For this one I shall write, here write 4, here write 9, here write unit place digit will be written at this place and 9 will be written at this place, like this. Unit place digit from 5th page 94, this 4 will be reflected this way, the 9 will be reflected at this place. From 84, this 4 will be reflected at this place, this 8 will be reflected at this place. And for 18, you will get here 8 at this place and 1 will be this place, this will be 0. Now you will add this one on 18. So you will get here plus 9, 7, 8 plus 6 you will get here 14, carry 1, 1, 2, 3 you will get here 3. Here you will get 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Here you will get 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Here you will get carry 1, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. Carry 1, 1, 1, 2. So this result you have got at last, that will be the correct answer. This is 4. So just I am explaining the summary once again. Here draw a transverse line. For the transverse line write here 9. This 9. 9 will be reflected at this 9. Again in the transverse line we will get, what we will get? Transverse line. Transverse line we have got here 4 also. At this place 4 we have got. Here we have got 9, like this. Just here we will get 3. This is 9, like this. And above 3 you will get here 6. The 6 you will get here 6. This is mathematical activities. In order to engage a child, a young child, a young student, anybody else, completely involved in mathematical calculation. That's why lots of practice, lots of motivation, and lots of engagements are required. So you have got here 49, you have got this one 63. So these three will be these three. Now you have got 118. So here write 8. Here you will get 1. Here you will get 1. 118. So here you will get 1. Here you will get 1. Like this it will go in the transverse way. 118. Again 141. So here write 1. So here again I shall write here 4. Here write 1. So like this we will write. 1. Now 141 completed. So here transverse way, in the transverse way 49, transverse way 63, transverse way 118, 118, transverse way 141, very nice. After that you will get 94, transverse way, if you write here 4, so here transverse way 9, or it will become like this in the transverse way. 9, 4 you have got transverse way. Again if you write here 4, so here you will get 4, transverse way you get, so here you will get 8, 4, this is 4, you have get it 4. Again now if you write here 8, here you will get like this 1, here you will get 1, here write here. Now add this one. On adding you will get here only 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 6, 14, 112 carry plus 1, 3. Here you will get 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Here you will get 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, this one. And now this result you have got 27, 493, 479. This will be the correct answer you have got. Like this 49, 63, 118, 141, 94, 84, 18. Just tally from page 1, 49, page 2, 63, page 3, 118, page 4, 141, page 5, 94, page 6, 84, page 7, 80. Just calculate 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 8 plus 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, carry 1, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. You have got 27, 27, 49, 34, 79. That will be the correct answer we have got. This is the proper explanation. I have taken here first number carrying 4 digits, second number carrying 4 digits. Both number are getting multiplied together. You have to approach palindrome approach a bad mathematics in order to find final result on multiplication, you have got 27, 49, 34, 79. 27, 49, 34, 79. Okay guys, thanks.